Imagine the possibility of creating a consistent monthly income of $10,000 through an AI-powered automated newsletter. At first, this might sound like an extraordinary claim, one that raises skepticism, but I'm here to not only assert its feasibility, but to provide you with the concrete steps to bring this concept to life. Let's delve into this exciting opportunity. Picture this scenario. In January 2023, an individual embarked on the journey of launching a newsletter. What sets this story apart is the astonishing speed at which this endeavor gained momentum. In a remarkably short span of time, this newsletter attracted a staggering 400,000 subscribers. Now, let's pause for a moment and grasp the implications of this remarkable achievement. It suggests that this individual is very likely generating an income exceeding $100,000 each month. And this is merely the outset of their journey. To put it simply, this success story underscores the immense potential within the realm of AI-powered newsletters. The prospect of automating the delivery of valuable content to a receptive audience can lead to substantial financial rewards. It's not a dream. It's a reality that can be achieved with the right strategy and execution. How can you replicate this success? Let me guide you through the essential steps and strategies to transform this vision into a profitable reality. Dive deeper into the success story of the Morning Brew newsletter, founded by two college students, as it serves as an illustrative example of the immense potential in the world of online businesses. In a mere 5 years, Morning Brew achieved a remarkable feat. It was sold for a jaw-dropping $75 million. This narrative is not just a success story. It's a testament to one of the most promising and largely untapped opportunities in the digital landscape. The Morning Brew journey began with a simple idea and the dedication of its founders. They recognized a gap in the market, harnessed their creativity, and embarked on a journey that would eventually lead to a multi-million-dollar exit. It's a story that showcases the power of entrepreneurship and the boundless opportunities that exist in the digital age. Crucially, it's essential to grasp that while AI can significantly streamline and automate various aspects of such a venture, it isn't a magic solution that guarantees success on its own. Success in this domain demands not only the application of technology, but also the infusion of creativity and unwavering dedication. It's about identifying trends, understanding your audience, and consistently delivering value. To put it simply, this success story underscores the immense potential within the realm of AI-powered newsletters. The prospect of automating the delivery of valuable content to a receptive audience can lead to substantial financial rewards. It's not a dream. It's a reality that can be achieved with the right strategy and execution. So, how can you replicate this success? Let me guide you through the essential steps and strategies to transform this vision into a profitable reality. Let's delve into the first step of this exciting journey, which involves understanding the core reasons behind the remarkable success stories we've discussed. Just a mere 7 months ago, Zain Khan embarked on the creation of Superhuman, a newsletter designed to provide subscribers with weekly insights into the world of AI. What transpired in the following months was nothing short of astounding. Zain's newsletter rapidly attracted over 150,000 subscribers, and its growth trajectory showed no signs of slowing down. To decipher the mechanics of this phenomenon, it's imperative to turn our attention to the prevailing trends in the digital landscape. AI, or artificial intelligence, has emerged as one of the most frequently searched keywords on the internet. This trend is not merely a passing fad. It has persisted and even intensified over the past year. The insatiable curiosity and interest in AI technologies have made it a topic of widespread fascination. Zain astutely recognized the potential inherent in this trend and seized the opportunity. He harnessed the power of LinkedIn, a professional networking platform, to share captivating content related to AI. What happened next is crucial to understanding his success. Zain's LinkedIn post, AI, swiftly gained traction. They garnered thousands of likes, shares, and comments, essentially setting the stage for a thriving online community interested in AI-related content. In essence, Zain capitalized on the AI hype at its zenith. He leveraged the platform's algorithms to ensure that his posts reached a wide and receptive audience. This strategic move created a ripple effect, drawing more and more individuals into his content ecosystem and, subsequently, his burgeoning newsletter. Now, here's the exciting part. The AI trend is not a mere flash in the pan. It remains a red-hot topic, continuing to captivate the online world's attention. What this means for you is the opportunity to replicate and even surpass Zane's success by automating the process. With the help of AI, you can effortlessly run and promote your very own AI-centric newsletter. It's an opportunity to ride the wave of a sustained trend, just as Zane did, and establish your presence in this thriving niche. Let's move on to the second step, where we'll focus on establishing a strong presence on LinkedIn, a pivotal platform for your AI-powered newsletter venture. The key to getting started effectively is crafting a LinkedIn profile that reflects your niche and expertise, particularly in the realm of AI. To achieve this, the first action item is to choose an appropriate title for your LinkedIn profile, one that resonates with your focus on AI. Selecting the right title is essential as it sets the tone for your professional identity on the platform. A valuable tool at your disposal for this task is Namelix. Namelix is an excellent resource that can generate a wide array of title suggestions based on keywords related to your area of interest, which in this case is AI. These titles are designed to align with the keywords and phrases that are commonly associated with AI, helping you stand out as an authority in this field. Your LinkedIn title acts as a beacon, instantly conveying your expertise and niche to anyone who visits your profile. It's a critical element in attracting the right audience and connecting with like-minded individuals who share your passion for AI. In essence, this step involves setting the stage for your LinkedIn presence, ensuring that it accurately reflects your identity as a key player in the AI domain. It's a foundational step that will lay the groundwork for your engagement with the AI community on LinkedIn and pave the way for future success. Stay tuned for the subsequent steps, where I'll guide you through the process of harnessing LinkedIn's power to grow your AI-focused newsletter limitations, particularly in providing up-to-date information. As of its last update in 2021, ChatGPT's knowledge base is not equipped to cover events and developments that have occurred since then. To fill this gap and ensure that your AI newsletter is a reliable source of the latest AI news, we turn to Bard, an AI tool developed by Google. Bard is designed to excel in sourcing real-time information and news articles, making it an invaluable resource for your content creation endeavors. Bard's affiliation with Google lends it an added layer of credibility and trustworthiness, as Google is a recognized authority in the world of online information. Leveraging Bard, you can stay abreast of the most recent AI breakthroughs, advancements, and emerging trends, allowing your newsletter subscribers to access cutting-edge insights and knowledge. The choice of Bard as your primary source for AI news ensures that your content remains current and relevant, a critical factor in attracting and retaining a dedicated readership. It positions your newsletter as a trusted resource in the ever-evolving field of AI, setting you apart from competitors who may rely on outdated information. Now let's move forward to step 4, a pivotal stage in your journey toward building a successful AI-powered newsletter business. This step revolves around the creation of visually engaging and professional-looking posts on Canva, specifically tailored to suit the LinkedIn platform. LinkedIn, as a professional networking platform, demands content that not only provides value but also aligns with the platform's business-oriented environment. Visual appeal plays a crucial role in capturing the attention of your target audience and conveying the professionalism of your brand. To achieve this, Canva is a powerful and user-friendly design tool that offers a plethora of features to help you craft stunning visual content. It provides templates, graphics, and customization options that allow you to create posts that stand out and resonate with your LinkedIn audience. Your posts on LinkedIn should strike a balance between being informative and visually appealing. This combination not only captures the interest of your connections and followers, but also positions you as a credible source of AI-related content. Consider incorporating eye-catching graphics, charts, and images that complement your AI news articles. These visuals should enhance the understanding of the content and make it more engaging. For your readers. Step 5 provides insights into LinkedIn's unique algorithm. On LinkedIn, engagement operates differently from other social platforms. Your content is initially displayed to your first-degree connections, and their interactions determine its visibility. Engage with others' posts to reciprocate and build your initial follower base. Step 6 is all about newsletters like Morning Brew and Superhuman marketing budgets are eager to showcase their products to an audience interested in AI news. Affiliate marketing is another income avenue, with generous affiliate programs offered by AI tool providers. Finally, we arrive at the process of crafting newsletters. Utilizing AI tools, you can simplify this task significantly. Bard can assist in generating newsletter content, while platforms like Mailchimp facilitate email campaigns. Setting up a simple landing page for subscriptions is also essential to attract readers. In conclusion, this business model presents immense potential, and I have personally achieved success with similar ventures. If you'd like more insights and tips on such business opportunities, please let me know in the comments, and please consider liking and subscribing if you found this video valuable. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more valuable content.